What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Kart Smart TV. So we had a Yamaha dropped off to us and stated that it will only run about 30 minutes or so. And so we're going to dive in and find out what we got going on. So we got a Yamaha Drive, I believe it is. Looks to be like a 2012 Yamaha Drive. Electric, obviously. And so with the statement being made that it only runs about 30 minutes, I'm going to check this battery pack. Feels a little weak. On the lead there you can see where it says G2. That makes sense there on the reason why he's having the problems that he's having. Let's see what this battery voltage is. So right off the bat, I'm looking at 48.1, which is actually about, it's low. That's a low battery voltage, because once you step on the gas pedal and put it under a load, you can guarantee that it drops down at least into the low 40s. Also, it can cause the cart to act weird, jerk, jump, cut on and off. That's kind of one of the complaints of this cart, was that it would go, it'd ride great for 30, 45 minutes, maybe an hour, and then all of a sudden it just would shut off, and you could sit there for a few moments and then push the pedal and it would take back off again, but it would be very, very, very slow, and it would just barely make it back to where they kept the golf cart, and then they would plug it up, let it charge, and then get about the same result out of it. So now that we know we're at 48.1 volts on the battery pack, I'm going to recreate what the customer does when they have an issue, because like I said, when I was pulling it in here this morning, it was really weak. I'm going to hook their charger back up. We're going to make sure that the charger is operating like it's supposed to be, and then we're going to let it fully charge. And we're going to go out here and actually ride it and give a good time on it while watching the battery pack voltage, which is going to be right here. This is where you watch your pack voltage at, and see how far this thing drops under a fully charged battery pack, because that's going to be your true pack voltage drop. So we're going to get that done, guys. Okay, guys, so now we got a fully charged battery pack. We're going to unplug this charger, wrap all the cords up so it don't get thrown off the golf cart or cords drag, and we're going to take this thing for a ride and see how long this thing lasts, and check the battery voltage at the same time to see what kind of drop in voltage we have. Alright, so sitting still, see what that battery voltage is. To me, that's kind of low. So we're going to push the pedal, see what happens. So that was a huge voltage drop. I mean, that's dropping out at least a battery, 2 batteries, because that's pretty close to 10 volts. So under that kind of voltage drop right there, guys, that just shows you right there that you're not going to have any run time. That cart probably won't last half an hour, maybe an hour. So I'm going to go out here and make this thing spin around until it's just about dead, and see how long it takes for that to happen. But at this point, when you see battery voltage drop like that, you just as well go on and get you a new battery pack, because it won't be long before that battery pack just absolutely stops producing enough voltage to make the cart operate properly. So, alright, so as I said, once you get the battery pack in, new batteries in the golf cart, you're going to come and plug up your charger as soon as you get all your wires tightened down. Okay, you're going to plug it up, that way it will level out the battery pack. Alright, there we are charging. So no battery pack, brand new or old, well, no battery pack brand new is going to be equalized as soon as you put it in. And so the importance of doing this before you take off and ride it is going to be that it gets all 6 batteries back to the same voltage as one singular battery pack, not 6 individuals at that point. So this charger is seeing all 6 of these batteries, and it's individually making sure that all these batteries are going to come all the way to fully charged, all to the same level. That way it can be at the best performance that the pack can be in. Okay, now after it fully charges, if you know it's going to sit for a while, if you have a smart charger that has the built-in maintain mode, you can see there it says charger maintainer. Okay, so once you have decided that you're not going to use the golf cart for a couple of days, weeks, whatever, leave this charger plugged up all the time, because it is designed to maintain the battery pack at a low charge amp, not a high charge amp like it does when you actually use the vehicle for a long period of time and it drains the battery voltage down. That's when the charger kicks in to use the high voltage to recharge the battery pack. Once the battery pack is done charging, it will go into a maintain mode. So you can, 100% can leave it plugged up so that it can utilize the maintain mode. Alright guys, so hopefully this video will help you out on trying to understand what's going on with your golf cart that may only run for 30 minutes, or if it has a jerking sensation when you're trying to actually ride it. More than likely you're having battery problems. I would say 8 times out of 10 you're having battery problems and there's nothing else wrong with the golf cart. So keep that in mind, guys. And as always, if you need any questions answered or any assistance from us whatsoever, please comment on the channel. Give us a call. I think our phone number is on the channel at some point. Also, don't forget about the QR code that you're going to see at the bottom of the screen. You scan that code, it takes you directly to our website so that you can purchase any of the accessories or parts that's offered in the golf cart industry. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our channel, guys. Thank you so much. God bless you all.